You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 3, activating the Jira Service Management Premium trial. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. So here we have signed in into our Jira portal. Let's move ahead. I will just close it. Here I am on home.atlassian. Let me show it to you once again. I will type here home.atlassian. I have logged in into my account that you can see over here. Okay. Now let's move ahead and click on home. Okay. To make sure that we are on home page, click on top right corner. We have settings. Click on billings. Okay. This you can click on remind later. If you get anything like upgrade and manage subscription, you can just click on got it. On billing preview, the screen that you see, under organization wide, we are going to click on manage. And we are going to, yes, here we have subscription detail. In subscription detail, we are going to click on change plan. Click on change plan. On service collection, we will choose premium. We'll click on try it free. So we are going ahead with the trial version, but which is premium. Okay. So it says your premium trial have started. Click on close. Make a note. No need to add any credit card or banking details. I will repeat it. No need to add credit card details or banking details. With that, let's see. Now here if you see, we have premium. Okay. That was task 1 of our lab 3. Now let's move ahead. We will go back, we'll close this. We are on home.atlassian. Click on home. And then we are going to click on Jira Service Management. Click on home. Which page are we on? Home.atlassian. Click on home. Jira Service Management. Jira Service Management. And on space page, you see over here space, click on NetSoft IT Academy. So here if you see on the left panel, this is left panel, you have NetSoft IT Academy. If I expand NetSoft IT Academy, you will see queues. Expand queues, you will see default, all open, assigned to me, open task. You see different options. Okay. On assigned to me, see all the details are there. Which request you have assigned, what is the status, assignee. Okay. Now, there won't be any record as of now because you have not created any. It's a fresh start for you. Now, when we click on under default, open task. Okay. So there is no record as of now because we have not created any request as of now. Okay. The left, we are going to click on summary. On summary page, you can just have a look and feel about how a request is going to look in real time. This is the same screen that you will see in real time if you are working for any client or any organization or any company. Here, request completed, update, created, due date or due soon. Okay. Now, let's move ahead and click on open service request. Here if you see, now let's click on service request. We'll just expand it. We'll expand default, open service request, count is 0, unassigned, my service request, all count is 0 because we have still not started. On my request, no records are there. On the top left corner, NetSoft IT Academy will now expand incident. Again default, open incident, 0, my incident, major incident. As I said, there is going to be no record. Resolved, no incident. And now we are going to click on reports. On the report page, just review all the details that you see. What sort of reports you can generate? Workload, satisfaction, request deflected, request resolved. So, with this we are done with report part. Now let's click on knowledge base. Knowledge base is more like a documentation. Instead of reinventing a wheel, you are creating an article. You are creating a steps. You are creating SOP, which is standard of procedure, and you upload it in knowledge base, one of the important area. In knowledge base, if you click on knowledge base, okay, you have this. Okay, this is knowledge base. With this, we have completed scenario number. We have completed lab number 3. I repeat, with this we have completed lab number 3, where we saw how to activate Jira Service Management Premium trial, and we saw how to browse different sections. With a very quick understanding, we saw service request, we saw incidents, we saw reports, and then we saw knowledge base. Quick thing, all the requests, when you click on any of the requests, it was showing no record. The reason is that we have not created any record or any request. With this, we have completed lab number 3. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.